Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Jackie here and I am back with another video. So this video is in collaboration with Iris Beauty and they sent me these gorgeous contacts that I am wearing right now. So if you're interested in knowing a little bit about these contacts, keep on watching. It's been years since I've attempted to wear contact lenses. When I say years, I mean like high school days. I want to say maybe junior high days. So it's been a long time. And when I used to put my contacts on that I purchased from the beauty supply store for $20, they used to give me total heck. I could never get them in. They were just so hard. They were uncomfortable. And then when I did get them in, I always saw like a blurry area in my eye and it was just so uncomfortable. But you know, when you're young, you want to stay with the fashion, you're trying to stay with the trends, and you just wear them even though they're uncomfortable. Well, when I put these lenses in today, it was a totally different experience. It took me less than 5 minutes to get these lenses in. They are super thin, so you do have to be careful with them. But being that they are thin, they make them extremely comfortable to wear in your eyes. So I know a lot of times when you are looking at someone or speaking with someone that may have lenses in, you can tell because around the rim you can see it because of the thickness. But with these lenses, you cannot see it. So I can get a little closer and stretch my eyes open just a little for you to see. They look very natural. So the color lenses that I have on are called Sugar Brown, and they are kind of natural, so to speak. I didn't really know how it was going to look on my eyes at first, so when I went onto the website, they do have an option that says before and after, and I'll insert that right here so you can see it. So you would just click that before and after. It will ask you if your eyes are naturally dark or naturally light. Whichever you pick, that will come up, and then the lenses that you pick, you can actually put them on the eye. So you'll see how they look on your eye and off your eye. So it makes it very easy for you. The process is extremely easy. So just a little bit about Iris Beauty. Iris Beauty is a family-owned business and it is based out of New York City. Iris Beauty lenses are very high quality lenses and they are FDA approved, which means they are completely safe. They came in 2 little packs like this for the right and the left lens, and then the packaging, the actual packaging came in this pretty little chic box, really pretty box, and it has all the information of the lenses on the side of the box. Now, the lenses that I have are strictly cosmetic. I do not wear glasses. I probably should. But if I did wear glasses, I would be able to provide them with my prescription, and then they would send the lenses with my prescription in them. So if you are someone that does wear glasses and you need that service, they are able to provide that for you. I will provide the information for the website down below. They do have a site-wide sale right now, so you may want to get on it. All their lenses are $29. They normally retail for $79, but I do also have a coupon code that I will list down below or list somewhere on this screen so that you guys can try them out and get a discount, save a little bit of money. You know, it's the holiday season. We're trying to save some coins. Not trying to spend too much money. Try them out. If you have already tried them out, let me know what you think. Let me know how they feel. So go ahead and go onto their website, check out all the things that they have to offer, purchase you a pair, make sure you use the coupon code below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!